Are you dreaming of starting your own custom apparel business but think the equipment is too expensive or complicated? Let me introduce you to your new secret weapon. This is the Ricoh Ri100Lt direct-to-garment printer, available at TexGraph. It uses digital inkjet technology. There are no plates to make. This means zero setup costs and no minimum orders. And you are not just limited to t-shirts. With the Ri100Lt, you can print on light-colored garments like kids' t-shirt, tote bags, aprons, hand pouch, baby onesies, and other new craft materials. High-resolution prints up to 1200 by 1200 dpi. This is the most portable printer on the market. You can set it up on a retail counter or take it to a weekend event and print custom shirts for customers while they wait. Worried you are not a tech person? Don't be. This machine is designed for complete beginners. You can even print wirelessly from your Windows tablet. It is one of the most affordable DTG printers available. You don't need a factory to start a clothing brand. You just need the right tool. And the Ricoh Ri100Lt is that tool. Come and visit us today for free samples and to grab your own DTG printer.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit texgraph.com.